No, for me, it is absolutely science. It is completely based on mathematics. And for business also, corporates also, whatever calculation we do is completely based on the mathematics. Yes, yes. So let's start with the prediction of the month of June, as already we are short of time. So let me share the glimpse of the prediction of month of June. So for the month of June, basically this is a format of the report. We compare the what predictions we have given and what with the actual performance of the market. Then we share the prediction of upcoming month and important dates, and as well as any event, if it comes into particular events come into our reading, then we share that. As well as we give a broad prediction for crude and currency. For crude and currency, we don't include precise predictions in our report. And then, as per my view, I share that what should be the right strategies for the traders and investors. So for the month of June, our heading is Nifty to bridge the top of April month, positive trend on our charts. So we are expecting a positive trend in the month of June. Here we have given the entire detail that in an entire month, what is going to be the behavior pattern of the market. So first of all, we have discussed that market is going to have a dual phase. The dual phase is going to be from 1st to 15th and from 15th to 30th of June. So why it is called dual phase? Because the pattern of trading will be completely different in both of this set of days. So from 1st to 15th, the pattern of trading will be different, and from 15th to 30th, the pattern of trading days is going to be different from the first set of the days. Then as we have given that in the hope of economic activities to normalize, market sentiments will become positive. And Nifty will resume the short covering and have a fresh buying, which will lead to the positive rally, especially in the time span of 15 June to 26 June. Now, we expect in this month to have some major announcement, and the announcement is going to be multiple announcement. We have given certain dates also, like 9th of June, 10th of June. These are the certain dates we expect to have a good announcement in the market, which is going to boost and cheer the sentiments of market participants. So these are the certain expected area, like where we expect certain announcement to come. It could be related to discovery or of any drug, or something a remarkable achievement in the journey of finding inventing a drug for COVID-19, or could be announcement, any important announcement from the Indian ministry, or crude and bonds. So there is some planetary positions are having a very significant impact on the crude and bonds. So we expect that there could be any announcement can be there in the crude and bonds also, crude and bonds side also. Here we have given predictions for weekly trends. Now in this weekly trends, we specify if any dates comes and special dates comes in our reading. So we specify about that date also and what we expect out of that day. So 1st to 5th, we are absolutely bullish in the market, as well as we expect the traders and investor to book profit. From 8th to 12th, again we are bullish for the market. 9th and 10th are the critical dates which are coming in our charts, and there we expect some certain announcement can come. Then 15th to 19th, again overall this month is like positive for us, only as we told that the trading patterns of the days are going to be changed. So now this is it for the month of June, and we have given the expert recommendation that we advise our subscribers to build the long positions for. So this is the detailed reports.